Your child has studied for 3 weeks and the grade isn't actually going up. Or you might have gotten a tutor for them and nothing is happening yet. But do you know that growth doesn't announce itself? Roots spread on the ground long before anything is announced above the soil. This doesn't mean that the tree is fading. It means that it's building a foundation that you cannot see yet. The same thing happens with learning. Comprehension compounds quietly before it shows up on a test. The vocabularies they are absorbing, the patterns they are trying to recognize, they are growing quietly on the ground. None of that will show up as a grade in day one, but it will show up in 6 weeks. So be patient. So if your child is trying and nothing is changing, that's usually the evidence that it is watching or schedule. If you have gotten value from my videos, do well to share. As someone in your network might really need this, follow for more.